Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Leroy. Welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of. Because that's what it's all about. Living the life we've always dreamed of. So, do you have what it takes to be an average Joe millionaire? Because that's what we're talking about today. We're talking about going from $0 to $1 million in 2 years. My Road to 1 Million challenge. Not using any money out of my paycheck. I'm using all side hustles. If you want to understand what that's all about, check out some of my other videos in this playlist. I got Road to 1 Million playlist. I'll leave the playlist linked up here. I'll leave the link down in the video down in the description below. Go check it out. So, backstory. $0 to 1 million, 2 years. Not using any money from my paycheck. I'm using all side hustle money. What am I doing? I've got this video right here, 5 side hustles that require $0 to start, no skill. That simple. They're not going to make you a ton of money, but they'll make you something, and that's what I do, and that all adds up. So check that video out up there, and I'll also leave that one linked down below. So let's see, what have I got going on? I said I had an update in my last video, didn't I? I have managed to sell a couple things on Facebook, made $50 there. I've used my Fetch rewards. I got a $25 gift card from Fetch. I got a $25 Visa gift card from who was it? Marlboro. And so there's $50. There's another $100 that I've added to my Road to 1 Million challenge. I'm almost ready to cash out on Receipt Hog. I'm almost ready to cash out on Shopkick. If you don't know what these are, they are all receipt apps that you snap pictures of your receipts. They give you points back. You make money. You trade them in for gift cards. That simple. With the way inflation's going right now, you might as well do it. Check out the links down below. And if you use these links, hey, we both get referral points. I get referral points. You get points for using the referral link. It's a win-win situation for both of us. Doesn't cost you anything. That's the thing about these links I'm telling you about right now. They don't cost you anything. Nothing. So you're already spending the money. You snap a picture of your receipt. You use Ibotta. It's, I don't know, it's like coupon clipping, but you do it on your phone. They give you money back, stuff like that. You know, all those links are down there. You might as well take advantage. We're talking 10% inflation, maybe more. Who knows where we're at right now? I can't even keep up with where the inflation's at. So you might as well try to save you some money at the gas pump and save you some money at the grocery station or at the grocery store, because that's where all our money's going. So what's another thing I'm doing? The other day, I have the Fold card, and this is a card that I use that gives me Bitcoin rewards every time I use it. It's a debit card that I have linked to my bank account, and I use it to pay my mortgage. I just found out I can pay my mortgage. So every time you use it, you get a flat rate Bitcoin, or you get a chance to win Bitcoin. And I spin the wheel, took a chance to win. I got 36,000 sats, which is the equivalent of $11 in Bitcoin. So I was making a payment on my mortgage anyways, so I used this debit card to make that payment, and that debit card, because I used their debit card, it gave me Bitcoin rewards. All these are linked down below. These are ways for you to make money. What did I say? I said I sold some stuff on Facebook. I got these receipts coming in. I've used some of my Amazon affiliates. I have not made enough to cash out on Amazon affiliates. Hey, I'm thinking if it adds all up, that'll be great. And what you do is, I've got links down here in my description box below for books that are Amazon affiliate books. You don't have to buy the books. If you're buying off Amazon, if you say, hey, you know what? I'm going to go on Leroy's video. I'm going to click on that referral link. It takes you to Amazon, and then you do your shopping. I also get a commission at no extra charge to you, simply because I directed traffic to Amazon. Now, the caveat on that is you have to buy something within 24 or 72 hours. I can't remember which one it is. But So that's what it is. And that's just one way for us to get some of that Amazon money. I mean, this is one of the biggest companies in the world. We might as well get, a couple dollars off them. Let's make a couple dollars off them. Everybody if you have an Amazon link, if you're going to Amazon, find somebody. That's all I ask. Find somebody on YouTube. It doesn't have to be me. It could be somebody else that you know. Use their link. Let's let somebody get some of that Amazon money. It's all about spreading the wealth as much as it is sharing it. Right now, my Road to 1 Million challenge sits at $846. I know that's not a lot, but it's something. And plus I've got this $50 that I was just talking about, the Marlboro and the fetch rewards that haven't been added to that. So that'll be like $896. So I'm almost at $900. And then, like I said, I've got a couple that I'll be cashing out on here pretty soon. And then I'm just going to let that Fold app, those Bitcoin rewards, I'm going to let those just build up until Bitcoin gets back up till it's a nice chunk, and I can I can cash out on that. I got to cash out on that Honey Gain app because I'm at like $30. I haven't cashed out on it. You can cash out at $20, and I haven't done it yet. So that'll add up. Once PayPal takes their fees, that'll add about $25 or so. So there's that, and I'll add that to it. I got some more stuff I have to sell on Facebook. Basically, I'm at about $900 on my Road to 1 Million challenge, and if you think that's good, go check out Michelle Marar. I'm going to leave her latest video linked down in the description below, because she has looked at what I'm doing and what Josh at the Financial Minute is doing with this Road to 1 Million challenge. And she said, good job, silly boys, but anything boys can do, girls can do better. So she is turning around and doing the 1 million challenge, but she's doing it in 1 year. And I just want to say she is kicking our asses. So she just had a video where she turned $6 into almost $250, I think it was. I think she's got almost $3,000 already saved up or already made towards the Road to 1 Million challenge. She sells on eBay. She does DoorDash. She does Uber Eats, stuff like that. So yeah, go check out her video down in the description link below, because she is killing it. Absolutely killing it. Basically, that's what it is. I'm at $900. I'm adding up. I got more money that's going to be adding up. Oh, I'm forgetting. I'm flipping Ethereum right now. It's down. I need to buy some more because it's right around 1900 right now. So it's pretty low. Once it bumps up, every 20% that it bumps up, I sell it. And then I wait for it to dip and I buy some more, and then I let it go up 20, dip, rinse and repeat, basically. Rinse and repeat. That Bitcoin and crypto, they're so volatile that you can make 5-10%, within a couple days on it. You just got to remember, you got to pay those taxes on it, and it's the same as your regular taxes, earned income. I know a lot of people say don't do that. Your time in the market, you're going to pay the taxes. But hey, to me, it's like, it's the equivalent to me as someone saying, oh, I'm not going to work overtime because I pay more taxes. Well, you know what? I'm just paying my 25% in taxes. This is just like me working. This is me working a couple more hours every day. That's all it is to me. So, and it's going towards my Road to 1 Million challenge. I'm already up 34% on that. Like I said, Ethereum and crypto's down right now. So I'm just holding till it goes back up. And I'm just buying more and more as it's down low, so that way I can flip it and make a buck or two. But that's where I'm at. So, all right, everybody. So we're taking that Road to 1 Million challenge, whatever it takes. I'm done being poor. I'm done being broke. I want to be a millionaire, and that's what I want to do. So Road to 1 Million challenge, 2 years. This is my update. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's be a bunch of average Joe first-time millionaires. So don't let our past hold us back. We can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. We can do it. Average Joe millionaires. All right, everybody. You get out there. You're going to hustle. You hustle for you. You hustle to make your life better. You hustle to make your family's life better. You hustle to leave yourself a legacy. All right, everybody. Have a great one.